Angels were created before Adam, peace be upon him. Adam was created from soil. He said, be, and the soil became man. There is no evolution in between. Look, if you believe in evolution, you will fall into hell. There is no evolution. What evolution? The Quran says, Turab, I made a skeleton out of soil like a flower pot. When you hit it, it made a hollow sound. It says, from dried clay. These are verses. What evolution are you talking about? Then he said to that clay, become human. Immediately it became human. What happened? Flesh and bone, nerves, veins. He breathed spirit through his nose. And when the spirit came, the spirit was pre-created. All of our spirits were pre-created. Our souls are thousands of years old. When our bodies were born, so when the soul is breathed in the womb, the body begins. He created souls 4,000 years before bodies. And 400 years before that, he created sustenance. So the soul entered the body. And as soon as it entered through the nose, Adam, peace be upon him, sneezed. At first the soul entered above the waist and straightened up. But it did not enter below the waist. So slowly the soul enters. The soil becomes what? It becomes flesh, it becomes blood, it becomes veins, it becomes nerves, it becomes soil. This is the first creation. There is no evolution, revolution, or anything else. We are curious. Here is the right answer. It is written like this in all tafsirs and hadiths. Okay. What are you researching? Did we come from dinosaurs? I don't know. Islamoglu's thought. Monkeys and our ancestors above are uniting. Blah, 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 blah. Adam, peace be upon him, had a father. Whoa. The Quran tells you, I created him from soil and told him to be. He became a human being. You are looking for his father? He is saying to Allah, if you tell Allah to become soil, he cannot become a human being. What will happen? He needs his past too. The past of his past, where will it stop? The father of Adam's father's father, where will it stop? You have to accept that Allah said be, and it happened. You have to accept creation, and when you don't accept creation, you are in shirk. Then everything comes from behind with Allah. The raw material is eternal. How is the raw material eternal? Water, air, soil, fire. He created water, air, soil, and fire out of nothing. Behind it, there is a molecule, a particle. Everything came from a particle, blah, 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 blah. Okay, he says he created every living thing from water. We are not telling you that there was no water. He says he created it from soil. Who created the soil? Allah. Did the soil exist in eternity? No. Was there water? No. Was there air? No. Was there fire? No. Without water, air, earth, fire, okay, it doesn't work. But who created these main substances? Allah. They're all made of water. Okay, from water, every living thing is from water. If the monkey is made of water and the pig is made of water, did I say anything? He says everything that has life that moves is made of water, but this doesn't mean he has a father. Oh my Allah. Now you plant seeds in the same soil, cucumber, eggplant, watermelon, zucchini. Can watermelons and chili peppers grow in the same garden? Yes. Will they grow in the same climate? Yes. Will they grow with the same water? Yes. Well, now then, they grew from the same water and the same soil. Are they from the same family? No. Where have they been united in the past? Nowhere. Chili peppers and watermelon do not unite anywhere in the past. But he creates them from the same water and the same soil. When he creates it, if they are created from the same water and the same soil, then they are the same species. Can you say they are the same species? How can that one be like honey and this one hot? Can such nonsense be possible? They live in the same sea. Then what is an anchovy fish to an acorn fish? His uncle's son. The other one is his aunt's daughter. So now they live in the same water. Do they all have the same ancestor? Do whales and anchovies have the same ancestor? Now if Adam was created from the soil and the others are created from the soil, what happened? Adam has a father. Do you have an ounce of intelligence? He says, I created this from the soil. He says, I told it to be. He says, I breathed the spirit into it. He says, I brought it to life. He also created dates from there. Value dates, offer it, for it is the centerpiece of the tables. That is why iftar is started from her. That is why it is said that sahur is the sahur of a believer. Because what is your father's sister called? It is called aunt. Your aunt says to value dates because she was created from the remnant of Adam's clay. It is as human-like as dates, and it is needed by the genetic cells in human beings. What do you call it? Vitamins, calories, whatever you call it. All the minerals that human beings need, minerals you name it, are in dates. No other product has them. Because why? It was created from the soil of man.